Greetings, traders. With you MaxBot channel. Right now I will be increasing deposit from $1 to a cool amount with the help of high-precision neural network. I will work with the currency pair US dollar, Japanese yen, time frame 1 minute. The first signal from the bot is higher. For ease of viewing and to save your time, I have increased the speed of price movement. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits on the number of signals. There are 10 places left at the discount. Link in the description. The bot's passability is on average 90%. After purchase, you will get to the VIP chat. There, our team discusses market situations and shares signals. So, the first trade closed in the plus. Now I will invest the whole deposit amount in the next trades every time to reach a good sum as quickly as possible. New signal from the bot, lower. Attention! You can win $1,000. The conditions are simple. You need to watch this video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. And write one comment on the topic of trading. We will choose one winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of valuable information out there that will help you pump your skills and develop an effective trading mindset. Subscribe soon. So, I got a profit and I'm investing $3.29. The signal from the bot is lower. Now I want to talk about how global climate change is affecting the economy and trading. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, primarily caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. These activities increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to global warming and associated climatic disruptions. Climate change has profound economic implications, affecting various sectors and influencing global financial stability. Climate change poses significant risks to agriculture and food security, impacting crop yields and food prices. So, the deal closed in the plus. I again increased the amount of entry into the market. The new forecast from the robot is lower. Crop yields. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can reduce crop yields, leading to food shortages and increased prices. Food prices. Higher food prices can lead to inflationary pressures, affecting consumer spending and economic stability. Agricultural exports. Countries heavily reliant on agricultural exports may experience economic downturns due to reduced yields and global market fluctuations. So, another trade closed in the plus side. I will now enter the market at $10.83. The new signal from the neural network is lower. The energy sector is both a contributor to and a victim of climate change, with significant economic ramifications. Energy production. Extreme weather events can disrupt energy production, leading to supply shortages and increased prices. Renewable energy. The transition to renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, is essential for mitigating climate change but requires substantial investment. Declining demand for fossil fuels, driven by environmental regulations and market shifts, can impact economies dependent on oil and gas exports. So, the deal closed in the plus side. New investment $19.71. Artificial intelligence gives a prediction, lower. Friends, now in front of you on the screen reviews of traders who are already actively using MaxBot and maximizing their profits. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Artificial intelligence will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So, the deal closed in plus again, thanks to an accurate signal. Now I will work with the Euro-US dollar currency pair and increase the investment amount. New forecast from the robot, lower. Climate change affects infrastructure and real estate, with economic consequences for construction, insurance, and property markets. Infrastructure damage. Extreme weather events can damage infrastructure, leading to costly repairs and economic disruptions. Insurance costs. Higher insurance premiums and increased claims can strain the insurance industry and affect property owners. Property values. Coastal and flood-prone areas may see declining property values due to increased risk of damage and rising sea levels. So, I'm once again recording a positive result. The new investment is $65.29. The new recommendation from the bot is lower. Climate change has direct and indirect effects on public health and workforce productivity, influencing economic output. Health impacts. Increased incidence of heat-related illnesses, respiratory conditions, and vector-borne diseases can strain healthcare systems and reduce productivity. Labor productivity. Extreme heat and poor air quality can reduce labor productivity, impacting economic growth. The economic impacts of climate change have significant implications for currency pair trading, influencing exchange rates and trading strategies on options brokers. So, once again, the transaction is successful. The investment is $118.17. The robot recommends opening a lower trade. Climate change can affect the value of currencies, driven by economic performance, trade balances, and investor sentiment. Economic performance. Countries heavily affected by climate change may experience economic downturns, leading to depreciating currencies. Trade balances. Changes in agricultural and energy exports can impact trade balances, influencing currency valuations. Investor sentiment. Perceived economic stability and environmental sustainability can affect investor confidence and currency demand. So, I keep moving towards the top profit. The new investment is $213.89. New prediction from the bot, lower. Central banks may adjust interest rates and monetary policies in response to climate-related economic impacts. Rising food and energy prices can lead to inflation, prompting central banks to raise interest rates. Central banks may implement stimulus measures to support economies affected by climate-related disruptions, influencing currency values. Traders must consider climate-related risks and uncertainties when developing trading strategies and managing portfolios. Here comes another positive result. It's time for the final deals. Investment $387. The new signal is higher. Diversifying trading portfolios to include currencies from countries with strong climate resilience can mitigate risks. Hedging strategies. Implementing hedging strategies to protect against adverse currency movements driven by climate-related economic impacts. To navigate the complexities of climate-related economic impacts, traders can employ various strategies to enhance their trading performance. Incorporating environmental, social, and governance criteria into trading decisions can help identify opportunities and manage risks associated with climate change. So, $313 has been deposited into the account. Now it's time for the final investment, $700. The robot promptly issues a new forecast, on the higher. Understanding how different sectors are affected by climate change can provide valuable insights for currency pair trading. Agriculture and commodities. Monitoring agricultural output and commodity prices to anticipate currency movements. Energy markets. Analyzing trends in renewable energy adoption and fossil fuel demand to inform trading strategies. As global awareness of climate change continues to grow, so will the focus on integrating climate considerations into financial markets. For traders, this presents an evolving landscape with new opportunities and challenges. Meanwhile, the final trade closed with a profit. This means that thanks to the bot's accurate signals, I was able to earn an excellent sum of $1,268 from $1. Thanks for your attention, friends, and see you soon.